Look at this. 8 years ago today, you were probably stuck inside your home watching the snow pile up. We were in the midst of the blizzard of 2016. That storm lasted 3 days, burying Harrisburg with a record 30 inches of snow. That shattered the old record that was set back in 1980. That is the highway, Dan.
That is
Look
the
at
highway.
that.
We drove in that. You, Brett, and myself, we drove at like 3 in the morning through about 6 inches of snow on the highway. There was one open lane.
Yep.
Do you remember that?
I absolutely remember that. I remember digging the car out from the parking lot. This building that we're sitting in right here did not exist.
It did not exist.
But we were on the air. So while we were saying many of you were at home watching, we were on the air for like 7 hours straight during that entire storm. That was just insane amount of snow.
Fink and I brought in snowballs and threw them at Brett in the green screen.
Yes.
We had a lot of fun that day, but obviously it was a day that I think many people will never forget. I remember getting back to my house and I had a smaller car at the time, completely buried in snow. I couldn't see it.
Yeah.
I don't know if we'll ever see snow of that magnitude again.